Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today I will talk about Google Ads YouTube campaign. Let's start. Introduction to Google Ads YouTube campaign. Google Ads is a powerful advertising platform that allows businesses to promote their product or services across various digital channels, including YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube offers a massive audience for businesses to reach and engage with. YouTube campaigns on Google Ads enable advertisers to create video ads and display them to relevant viewers based on their interest, demographics, and online behavior. Number 1. Setting up your YouTube campaign. To get started with Google Ads YouTube campaign, follow these steps. Create a Google Ads account. If you don't have one already, sign up for a Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Link your YouTube channel. Link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account by navigating to the Linked Accounts section within Google Ads and following the instructions provided. Create a new campaign. Click on the campaign button, select the video campaign type and choose the standard campaign subtype for YouTube video ads. Define your campaign setting. Specify the campaign name, budget, bidding strategy, start and dates, and other relevant settings. Ensures that your campaign objectives align with your overall marketing goals. Number 2. Targeting options for YouTube campaigns. Effective targeting is crucial to reach the right audience and maximize the impact of YouTube campaign. Google Ads provides several targeting options for YouTube ads, including demographic targeting. Define your audience based on age, gender, parental status, and household income. Interest targeting. Reach users who have shown interest in specific topics, interests, or activities related to your product or service. Placement targeting. Choose specific YouTube channels, videos, or categories where you want your ads to appear. Remarketing. Display ads to users who have previously interacted with your website, YouTube channel, or mobile app. Custom intent. Reach users based on their recent search history and browsing behavior. Number 3, ad formats and creative guidelines. YouTube offers various ad formats to engage your audience effectively. Some popular formats include skippable in-stream ads. These ads appear before, during, or after the main video content and can be skipped after 5 seconds. Non-skippable in-streamed ads. These ads are played before or during the main video and cannot be skipped by viewers. Bumper ads. Short non-skippable ads with a maximum duration of 6 seconds designed to deliver a quick and memorable message. Display ads. These ads appear on the right side of the video player or below the video, providing additional visibility. When creating video ads for YouTube, adhere to the following creative guidelines. Keep it short and engaging. Capture viewers' attention within the first few seconds and deliver your message concisely. Strong call to action. Include a clear call to action to prompt viewers to take the desired action, such as visiting your website or making a purchase. Brand consistency. Ensure that your video aligns with your brand identity and maintains consistency with your overall marketing strategy. Optimize for mobile. As a significant portion of YouTube views occur on mobile devices, optimize your ads for mobile viewing. Number 4, monitoring and optimizing your campaign. Once your YouTube campaign is live, it's essential to continuously monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Let's talk about conclusion. In conclusion, a Google Ads YouTube campaign can be an effective and powerful tool for businesses looking to reach a wide audience and promote their products or services. YouTube, being one of the largest video sharing platforms globally, offers a massive user base and diverse targeting options that allow advertisers to tailor their campaigns to specific demographics and interests. Thank you for watching.